have spent more than $2 billion on the greatest scientific gamble in history. It is an atomic bomb. It is a harnessing of the basic power of the universe. With this bomb, we have now added a new and revolutionary increase in destruction. That bomb has more power than 20,000 tons of TNT. We shall destroy their doubts, their factories, and their communications. Let there be no mistake. We shall completely destroy Japan's power to make war.
Enola Gay, this is Command. You're clear for takeoff. Over.
Copy that, Command. Commencing takeoff now. Over.